This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, March 13th, 2012. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. A storm system is moving out of the Great Lakes up into Canada, taking with it some showers and even some isolated thunderstorms. Another system over the Pacific Northwest bringing some rain and mountain snow to that area. Watch warning map from around midnight. Numerous red flag warnings across the plains. Some wind advisories further to the west with some winter weather issues out there. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet from the Mississippi River eastward. GFS chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock shows some decent amounts of precip. This will be with some isolated activity over the next couple of days, upwards of maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch possible. So let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, you can see we're still under a ridge. There's the storm system over the northern Great Lakes moving into Canada. And we're still warm, southerly winds, temperatures back into the 60s and 70s, and it's going to be more like May instead of March. And this is going to continue even into Wednesday. Could be an isolated pop-up shower or storm across the far south, but it's still going to be in the 70s. In fact, Wednesday we could see some places nearing 80, and that would be just plain amazing. Thursday, slightly cooler, back to the 70s, but still, that's way above March level readings. Still could be an isolated shower or storm. Same goes for Friday. Could be an isolated popcorn shower or storm, and it's still going to be warm. Highs in the 70s, lows in the 50s. Not going to feel like March, I'll tell you. And even into Saturday, the temperature or the precip gets a little bit more widespread, but still it's going to remain warm with temperatures in the 70s under partly to mostly cloudy skies, and even into Sunday it's still going to be warm and still a decent chance of a shower or storm here, with the storm system just taking its good old sweet time. And it even does that even into next week on Monday. It's still taking its good old sweet time with some decent amounts of showers and thunderstorms across the state on Monday. A week from today, now you see why we are having a problem with the storm. There's a big, huge ridge over the east, and it's blocking this storm that's over the Four Corners area, and it's still going to be the case a week from today. And there still could be showers and thunderstorms across just to our west and in the western counties, and they desperately need the rain, but don't know if they're going to want this much. We'll have to see. A few days later, on the 25th, the ridge is now over Texas, and with a upper level feature off of Southern California, another off of New England. We're in between storms, and if you notice, it's still warm. It's not going to cool off anytime soon. Maybe temperatures in the 60s, but I don't see any normal readings. And even into the end of the forecast on the 29th, I don't see anything there either. That looks very cold, with a trough out west and a ridge over the center part of the country, and another storm system moving through that could bring some shower and thunderstorm activity around here toward the end of the month. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.